Attention, attention, calling all aspiring IT project managers. Are you ready to kickstart your career? If you're really truly ready to kickstart your career, you're going to want to tune in today's episode regarding the ability to navigate into a field called IT or informational technology. If you're new to the channel, I go by the name of ED. For you smart and intelligent folks out there, listen, that just simply means Ed. I have an 8-point framework, and these 8 points, my goal, my mission, my job today is to unpack today's title, which is entitled How to Become a Project Manager in Tech. Again, how to become a project manager in tech. You mind if I tell you a brief story? I'll try to keep it brief. You know I'm long-winded. How I fell into this thing as far as being because I started when I got into project management. I started off as like more or less of working, I'll say more like non-IT type projects.